In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make text swing in Wix. If you take a look at my website right here, I want to make this heading right here swing. Now, in order to do that, what you need to do is head over to your Wix editor, and then I want you to find the text that you want to make swing and click on it to highlight it. Once you've done that, a bunch of different options are going to appear either on the top of the text or below it. In my case, it's below. Once you've done that, I want you to click on the animation button right here. And from here, I want you to focus on the loop animations right here. And then since we want to make the text swing, what we need to do is find the swing animation, which is right at the bottom here. Then click on it. And from here, you can play it to see what it will look like by default. As you can see, that's what it looks like. And because it's a looping animation, that means that it's going to continuously loop back and forth. Now, if you're happy with this, what you need to do is to save it is simply press the X button and then go about your day. Alternatively, you can customize it if you want to make some changes to it. So for example, if you want to make the swing only from like the top right corner right here. So for example, from the right, so it's only going to swing from here and then direction from the bottom. And then here you can add the duration. So if you want to make it very fast, you can just drag this down to like whatever you want. And if you want there to be a delay between the loops, you can set that to whatever you want. I don't want a delay. I want the loop to be continuous or the swinging. And once you're happy with the changes, press the X button. And then let's preview the website and see what it looks like. As you can see, this is what my swinging text looks like. It's a constant loop. So this will continue to go for as long as I stay on this page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make text swing in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.